Welcome to CryptoDex World. You always want to create that amazing landing page. You want it to stand out, but how do you do it with a simple prompt? Here's Runable. All right, everyone. So welcome to Runable. Now, what exactly is Runable? So say you have a business project, you have an idea, you have a concept, you have something you want to create. Well, this is a great way to do it. Now, how so? Well, a lot of business professionals wait until the last minute, then they try and do a presentation. So here you can do articles, you can create apps, you can create landing pages, you can get everything done for whatever it is you want. So I have a company called Focus Flow for this demonstration. I did a productivity app for tasks to reduce distractions, and I wanted to create a landing page and just a single market landing page. So what I did, I took an image for inspiration right here. You can see that was my inspiration. Then I just focused on what I wanted right here, and I got something absolutely amazing. You got to check this landing page out. So every client, every deadline, one focus day. Now, it wasn't super crazy about the CTA, but it had everything else, like right here. Freelancers who got their day back. Price like a tool, not a subscription. So everything here looks amazing. The whole landing page is built, and this looks super professional. Even has start for free, and everything's clickable. Plus, I can edit it. So excellent start there. But I wanted to fix the CTA, so I had it fix the CTA. I changed the layout. I also changed the card, got the success, and now everything looks better. So if you can actually see right here, scroll down, we changed the CTA. Freelancers who got their day back. Nice. That's what we want. We want our time back. That's why I'm doing all these AI videos to show you how to do it. So now that looks good, but let's say I don't have time to show them the landing page. Investors are busy, people are busy, professionals are busy. So I just said, make me something cool with slides. So I got my own slideshow. I got auto right here. I got focus flow. This looks good. So now I built a pitch deck. We can actually see the pitch deck, generated all that. So now we have focus flow right here. And I told it what to do to actually build a pitch deck. So not only do we have the landing page that matches that, you can actually see the Google. So now I can open that in Google Slides. So what I do, go ahead and click. I hit continue. And one more continue. You don't have to do it every time, but just showing how to do that. And that's how we get our slides if we want to. So that would be how I do everything in Runable. Now, if you want to keep creating, you can just come back to Runable and start hitting the chat again. Or if you're thinking, hey, how do I create the next best thing? You can say like, hey, do I want this PDF or PDT? So I can say, if I want it PDF, it can do that as well. Now, as well as what I created here, there's artifacts, so you can play with those. Then we also have flow, if we want to do that. There is the claw here, so we can rock some open claw. And then we also have customize, you can do meet, you can do all of this type of stuff right here, which I'm very impressed by. And these are all the things that I did. So let's go over it again. We have focus flow. This is a company name. I want to do a productivity app to organize tasks, reduce distractions, great landing page. I had a build right here, and then I picked what I liked. Hero, focus flow, boom. This looks good. And then I got my landing page, which was very easy to create. But I didn't like the CTA. So I changed the CTA. I just said, hey, CTA needs to be a little bit better. Because if you don't have a good call to action, people aren't going to jump on it. Freelancers got their day back. I think I got my day back too, because I didn't spend all day creating a landing page and a pitch deck. Now I picked a pitch deck, what I like, the different colors and stuff like that. And then I told it what to do. I can export it to Google Slides, or I can have my pitch deck here. Focus flow, boom, the productivity app for freelancers looks good. Freelancers lose the day, and they do, everything but work. And this looks awesome. This looks freaking awesome. And you can do all of this yourself. You just need to come here and prompt it. You can do this for corporate, productivity, e-commerce, slides, reports, sheets, workflows, apps. It's all runnable, no pun intended. If you enjoy this, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.